Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard CHANEY channel. Tomorrow we've got thunderstorms and we got them for 2 or 3 days. Not looking forward to that. Not looking forward to that at all. Today it was hot and I stayed in where it was cool and watched movies. But I didn't get a chance to listen to any music today. But tomorrow I'm going to try my best to listen to music, because it's going to be stormy and rainy. Don't want to get out in that. And like I said, it's supposed to do it for 2 or 3 days. So for those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here, and if you've enjoyed so far, give this video a thumbs up and refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives, don't matter who, as long as you share the news. And always remember, at the end of each and every month, I'll show you a new item, plus I got a new item coming in. So when it gets here, I'll show that to you. And do not forget, in order to have nice items, you've got to keep them in mint condition at all times. All times. That's right, folks. All times. And always remember that each item I'm going to do in 5s. That way I can part out each video. That's the only way that I can do it. The only way. And always remember that when I do the collections in 5s, that doesn't mean that's all of the items that I have. Oh no. I've got lots of LP vinyl records, lots of cassettes, lots of CDs, lots of DVDs. And do not forget to always like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.